Today in this video I show you how to fix can't delete apps on iPhone. For deleting apps on iPhone, you have to press and hold the app which you want to delete and click on remove app. Now if you did not find delete app option, then click on cancel and open settings. Now click on screen time. Now you have to click on content and privacy restrictions and then open iTunes and App Store purchases. Open deleting apps and select allow. Now go back and try to delete app. Click on remove app and now as you can see delete app option is showing. You can click on it. Again click on delete and delete apps on iPhone like this. So this is how you can fix can't delete apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.